Ikaw nga, sabi mo nga, J.R. Guzman. Ako! On stage, let's all make some noise for J.R. Guzman! I wanna be a millionaire. Good things I ever had. I'm being a cover folks I can see, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Now every time I close my eyes, what you see, I see my name shining light. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I'll have a show like Oprah. I'ma be hosting. Little Christmas, get back your wish list. I'm probably good at Ashley and Brad Pitt. Get up a bunch of babies like a man and have lunch. People say this like yeah, and appetite. These ain't about it, the last wish. Been a couple months to fix it or so. You can call me Jay Boss, mine as a whole. Yeah, I'm probably doing what you dreamed did. The damn sure you like what you dreamed did. Yeah, you can't forget about me. Where I go, I'll have my own. Oh, every time I close my eyes, and I see my name and shining lights. Oh yeah, different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire. I don't feel like giving. Feel like picking up the phone to leave a message that I don't. Say I don't feel I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Thank you, J.R. Guzman. Kasama ko ngayon ng Acoustic Soul. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Sorry, Jack. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bigyan ko pa sana kayo ng kanta. Yung mga hindi pa po nakakakuha ng album ko sa The Ivory Records, pwede po kayo bumili doon. Ayun, yung mga nagsishake. Hindi na ba sa